Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to D-Ray's Woodshop. Got my hands on a old Craftsman joiner last year, I think around the end of January. It's been sitting in my shop. It is, I think, a type 103, or I'm sorry, number 103, 3620 Craftsman 6 and 1/8 inch joiner. As you guys can kind of see, I'll zoom in and kind of do some close-up shots. She's pretty rusty and could use a little restoration. So that's what we're gonna do. Something a little different on the channel, and hope you guys stick around and enjoy. I probably won't do a whole bunch of talking unless there's an area I feel that needs attention or something like that. I'll probably just throw some music on and might throw a time lapse in there here and there. But let's get to clean this baby up. Oh, also, it'll probably be more of a series, like maybe a part 1, part 2 type thing. I don't know exactly how long this is going to take, but there wasn't really a good video of restoring one of these Craftsman joiners, so I want to restore it. Also, I think it's pretty cool. I haven't seen too many that have the cast iron base on the bottom. Some of them have more of like an aluminum or steel 4-foot base. This has a pretty cool pedestal cast iron base, so pretty excited to get my hands on it and see what we can do. So hope you guys enjoy the video. It's a 1/2 horsepower engine. I went ahead last year and I took the fence off of the back, but that's really the only thing that I've done. But there's a good bit of surface rust, nothing really too serious. I also ordered some brand new blades. It is a tri-blade helical head blade. And as far as, like number wise and everything, it looks in really good condition. So we'll have to see as far as that goes, but everything else looks cool. And this was the cast iron pedestal base I was telling you guys about. It's in really good condition too. It's pretty sharp. I also picked up this Craftsman Craftsman 100 is what it's called, but it is a 10-inch table saw on a pedestal cast iron base as well. So we'll probably be restoring that as well. I've just got some leaf blow and stuff sitting on it for now, but let's get started. Alright, so to start out with, I just wanted to raise the joiner up a little high to make it a little bit more comfortable for me. So do some, just like a sheet over the top of my little assembly outfeed table. And the joiner was sitting on the pedestal, as I mentioned earlier, so I took the 3 bolts out. There's 1 on the front and 2 on the back that will remove it from that pedestal, and then I can place it on the table. So as you can see here, there is a little bit of rust on the sides and stuff, but not really too bad, as I was talking about earlier. Here I'm taking the fence stabilizer bar about midways off, and then flip it over to start removing the infeed side of the table. Alright, so now that we have the table flipped upside down, we can start working on the infeed side of the table. There's 4 main supports that go through both of the dovetail sliding mechanisms that allow you to adjust the depth, obviously, of the cut for the joiner. There's 4 bolts here, with 2 on the front dovetails, 2 on the back. There also, you can see me here, I'm doing the bolt now for the linkage assembly. That's what connects the shaft to the back handle that allows you to move back and forth. Also a nut on the very top with a pin that keeps the shaft from actually moving back and forth. So there's those 4 nuts, the nut that attacks the linkage assembly, the one sliding pin nut on the top, and then also 4 brackets. There's nuts as well that just screw into the bottom side of the main joiner assembly that the 2 screws go through. So get those off, and the adjusting side end feed table of your joiner should come out with no problem. This is surprisingly very easy. Everything is just coming out so smooth. I mean, I believe these come out maybe in the 60s. I found a pamphlet online. Man, this is coming out really easy. This should just slide out. Set that right there for right now. I'm not going to take the whole head and the blade assembly out. I'm just going to take the blades out and replace those, because as you can see, I think you can see, the head itself is actually not bad at all. The blades are dull. There's a little tiny bit of surface rust in there, but it's not bad. So what I'm going to do with all these pieces, I'm going to take, there's a little Allen head holding this head on. I'm going to fill a bucket with a little bit of vinegar and let all this be soaking while I'm getting all the rest off of here. Kind of strategically place things in here as well. Try my best to anyway. It's not too bad, just a lot of surface rust. About all of the parts look similar to that. If you want to put any type of angle on it, just gonna toss all this in here too. Letting that do its thing, and then we're going to get on to basically what I'm going to use for this. I've got a spray bottle full of vinegar, and going to be using a brush wheel to try to get some of this stuff off, so we'll see how well that holds up. Hey guys, just wanted to hop in here and tell you thank you so much for taking the time to watch the first video for the Craftsman Jointer Restoration. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I was able to help. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I can help. I try to get the right angles and stuff for it, and hopefully that helped out. If you did like the content, be sure to click the subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you know when I upload the next video for the joiner series or any video I enjoy after that. Also, if you wouldn't mind, feel free to hit that like button. That does help me, and yeah, I appreciate it, guys. Make sure to check me out on Instagram at DRay's Woodshop. Guys, take care, have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video.